Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to edit videos like a pro using CapCut, a free and beginner-friendly video editing app. Whether you're making YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, or any other type of content, CapCut has everything you need to make your videos stand out. Let's dive in. First, open the CapCut app. Once you've launched it, you'll see the main dashboard. Click on the New Project button to start a fresh video. From there, you can choose your video clips from your gallery and add them to the timeline. Now, let's go through some basic editing tools that will make you look like a pro. 1. Trim and cut clips. After adding your clips to the timeline, you might want to remove unwanted parts. Tap on the clip and select the Split option to cut your clip into 2 parts. You can then delete or move around the pieces as needed. To trim a clip, simply drag the edges of the clip to shorten or lengthen it. 2. Add transitions. CapCut offers various transitions to smoothly connect clips. Tap the small white box between 2 clips and a list of transition effects will appear. Choose the one that fits your style and adjust the duration for a smoother flow. 3. Add text. Text is an essential part of video editing. To add text, click the text button at the bottom, then select Add Text Now. You can type in your message and choose the font, size, color, and style. You can also animate the text to make it more engaging. 4. Add music and sound effects. Next, let's add some music to your video. CapCut has a vast library of music and sound effects. To add music, click the Audio button, then browse through the tracks. You can adjust the volume and even fade the music in or out to make sure it complements your video perfectly. 5. Use effects and filters. To make your video pop, CapCut provides a variety of effects and filters. Tap the Effects or Filters button to explore options that can change the mood of your video. Whether you want a retro vibe or a dramatic flair, CapCut has something for every style. 6. Adjust speed. Speeding up or slowing down your video can add creativity. Tap on the clip, select the Speed option, and choose from normal speed, slow motion, or fast motion. You can also create cool time-lapse effects. 7. Export your video. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to export your video. Tap the Export button in the top right corner. You can adjust the resolution and frame rate, and once done, click Export. Your video is now ready to be shared on social media or wherever you like. CapCut makes it easy for anyone to edit professional-looking videos, and it's completely free. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, these tips will help you create amazing content. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. See you in the next video.